Affiliate marketing. First, I'll give you a short description. It's the fact of promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. For example, you can promoting a fitness product on your blog and earning a commission for every sale. Okay, but how to make money with that? You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates for free. Here are some websites where you can already check: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, and that's it. For sure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more quick videos like this.